Hey everybody, from third video, we'll draw doors and windows for the plan that we're trying to make today. But first, let me talk about something. There are no columns in the plan we draw. It was probably not drawn because it's two-story and detached. But I still want to show you how we would have drawn it if it had been thought of as if it exists. Now, let's say we have a column measuring 20 by 20 centimeter. I'm drawing this by polyline command because I want it to be one piece. Otherwise, there may be problems in moving or copying situations. We can hatch it, but I don't want to show it now. We'll see it later. Now, I'll move this column to the corner. Then I copy it to other corners. And I draw axis lines that indicate where the columns are. These lines are the guide lines. Then I move columns and axes because we have know them in our drawing. This is how we build our framework system. I'm aware that these columns are not enough. I just drew them to show. We can multiply if we want. By the way, there should be a column wherever the axes meet. After showing these points, we can return to our present topic. I said we're going to draw doors and windows. For this, we need to open a slot first. Let me tell you which commands to use respectively. 1. Offset. 2. Extend. It's new command. 3. Trim. Here we go. First, I determine the location of the door, and then I offset the wall closest to this point. I offset again as doors measure. Then I send these lines through the wall by extend command. It's E and X on the keyboard and double click like trim. And finally I erase these lines with trim. That's it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, isn't it? Isn't it? Okay. And I create all slots of doors quickly. We're gonna make for windows same way, but before that there were some points I noticed in the plan, especially when examining windows. First of all, there is a very small sitting area compared to this. The dining area is quite large. I was wondering where do they host their guests. The bedroom windows are quite large and I couldn't understand why. Same situation as second floor. Such as the working room and sitting room are almost the same size. There must be someone who works all day. What a pity. By the way, I said there is a guest room before. Guys, I'm wrong. This is for servant, I guess. And this one compares with the living room. I'm pretty sorry that the living room is so small, obviously. Anyway, we draw what is wanted, take our money and sit back, isn't it? But I still draw the bedroom windows smaller. I think we should have that much say as an architect. Okay, so let's return to our windows. We're gonna make them like we make doors. Generally, windows are in the middle. I'm not gonna erase lines that's between. Kitchen window in front of the sink. We found at least one logical point. I will draw the windows here in the same way. I decided to draw nib lines for the window because I needed to appear thinner than the wall lines on the output and work as a separate layer. For now, I'm drawing the simplest possible window shape. I don't want to confuse you with the details. Okay, it's done. Some windows were sliding form. I drew them like this. We created the windows completely. Now we'll create doors. Firstly, new layer, of course. Then I draw with polyline. It's usually 5 centimeter thick. Okay, this is door, and we need to show how it can open. New command is arc for draw a circle piece. Then I want it one piece again. So we use the block for this. It's new command. I'm writing a name for the door. Then say OK. And I select all of it and click right. So it's one piece. Let's make one more. Then I copy it and move and rotate. I don't remember that I show it or not. Rotate R and O on the keyboard. So, okay, now we have doors and windows. I show the steps one more time. Offset, extend, and trim. This is how we build. Every step is easy if you progress by constantly drawing and practicing. So it's important to work non-stop. Don't be lazy like me. Take care for now. Doors and windows are interested to you. I run away. Bye bye.